Hi guys! Today we'll introduce three-color Soboro Don. Soboro refers to the ingredients which finely crumbled. Don refers to a dish served with the rice and a big bowl topped with various ingredients or dishes. Therefore, the three-color Soboro Don is a dish where Soboro, made from 3 different colored ingredients, is placed on the top of rice. Typically, it consists of the brown of meat and the yellow of the egg and the green of the vegetable. In Japan, many students bring their own lunchboxes to school since the three-color Soboro Don is quick and easy to cook and provides various nutrients. It's quite popular as a lunch option. For chicken Soboro, you need 200 grams of ground chicken, which is almost half of this package, soy sauce, cooking sake, and mirin, Japanese sweet sake. For egg Soboro, you need 3 eggs, salt, and instant dashi. For green pepper Soboro, you need 1 green pepper, miso, sugar, cooking sake, and mirin. Let's start by making chicken Soboro. In a small pan, place 200 grams of ground chicken. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 2 tablespoons of water. Do you remember the golden ratio from our last video? We used that golden ratio for chicken Soboro. Place the saucepan over low heat. Once it comes to a simmer, cook while stirring occasionally until the most of liquid has evaporated. This process should take about 15 to 12 minutes. Here's a tip. To make the Soboro as finely textured as possible, if you have cooking chopsticks, try using 2 sets to mix it. If not, a spatula works fine, but aim to break up the chicken as much as possible. You can find cooking chopsticks at Asian market. I really like mom's cooking because it's kind of my favorite taste, and I think she's really open-minded person in cooking as well. She tried to challenge a lot of new dishes, including not only Japanese food but also international food as well. So I enjoy a lot. For example, some Indian curry, when she were into the spices and Indian curry, yeah, she tried to cook a lot of type of curries. And especially my mom and I love Thai food, so she tried a Thai food. And when I was really young, she went to baking course. So she baked a lot of breads for me as well. So. The sauce has been almost evaporated. I think it's ready. Let's taste it. Even though recipe is well considered before, but still it depends what kind of ingredients you buy and when you bought, and yeah, the condition of ingredient is different, and the level of heat is also different depending on what kind of facility you're gonna use. So that's pretty important to taste it, to check the taste. So let's make the egg Soboro. Crack open 3 eggs and use the eggshell to measure water 3 times. Add 2/3 teaspoon of dashi and 2 pinch of salt. Mix until the egg whites fully. Did you remember our last video in making dashimaki? The ingredients are exactly same, but we're gonna make it Soboro instead. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and heat the pan well. With low heat, add the egg. And stir the mixture to make it small. Before it gets colored, it's ready. Finally, let's make the green pepper Soboro. First, you start to cut the green pepper. I think I mentioned earlier that Sanshoku Don, 3-color Soboro Don, has 3 colors: the brown of meat, the yellow of egg, and the green of vegetables. While some family use snap peas or any other green vegetable instead, my mom preferred to use green pepper. So I'm gonna introduce the green pepper one. Please cut the green peppers in 1 centimeter squares. Let's prepare the sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of miso, and a pinch of sugar and stir it. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and heat the pan. Add green pepper, and cook a few minutes. Stop the heat and add the sauce. I usually turn off the heat before adding the sauce because adding it while the pan is still hot can cause it to boil too much. It's ready!
Itadakimasu. Good. So how was the cooking?
It reminds me my mom's taste. I mean, I often ate this 3-color Soboro Don for my lunchbox, so it reminds me of